there it is. So it is a 3-piece toolbox. So the first one has 4 sets of drawers, second one has 4 sets of drawers, and the third one has 3 sets of drawers. These are 25 inches wide and 12 inches deep for the first two, and the third one, it's 25 inches wide and 17 or 18 inches deep. I just have to measure that, but it's about there. While we were doing this, I also wanted to give you a walk around in my toolbox, and right at the top I have my trusty Autel MD608. This tool saved me in so many cases, it's not even funny, and I know I paid a lot of money for it, but trust me, the amount of service it provided, I got my money back. The next one is the Dewalt smart battery charger, and if you notice, I got 4 batteries, and I would just plug them in and have my batteries on a trickle charger. This has been a workhorse, and I highly recommend it. And if you notice, this width is just perfect for this battery charger to sit, and also it has this rubbery thing. You can put your phone in there or whatever, it's just not going to flop around. And right beside that, I have my trusty Dewalt charger, and you're going to notice that in a bit. I have a lot of Dewalt tools. It's just once you buy one driver and it comes with this charger and battery, and you keep buying the same driver, I guess. One thing I'm going to tell you this is, ironically, this toolbox goes really well with the Mastercraft 400-piece tool set, and you're going to see that in a bit. In the topmost drawer, what I have, these are assorted screwdrivers, the ones, the odd sizes and the automatic ones. On the left hand side, I have the proper screwdrivers. Next one, I have a bunch of extensions and more extensions. I use these to turn my hammer drill into a socket drill, and also these gray tools. They are one of the best swivel tool out there, and oh my god, I use them. I abuse the hell out of them all the time. These are not impact rated, so if you use an impact wrench, they may break. They were $85. This piece also has a lot of extensions, and it also comes with the swivel tool, but they're not as smooth. The swivel action is not as smooth under heavy load compared to the gray tools. And the whole set was $30. That came with everything, and these 3 were $85. So do the math, the price does have something. And again, you're going to see a lot of Husky and Mastercraft tools because I go to my local Canadian Tire and get everything done. And this is what I was talking about, that the 400-piece tool set. The insert that comes with the tool set fits in these drawers like a glove and makes it look so nice, and all of these are marked, so you know exactly what you're missing or what tool you can put them back. They're very well organized. Now this drawer is kind of scary and kind of messy. I'm trying to figure out how am I going to do that. You see what I mean? First of all, under all of these pliers, I have a lot of them, is the gear wrench set. And this is my favorite, absolute favorite set of wrench. They have been wonderful to use. They're super easy to use, and knock on wood, whatever that is, they have never failed as of yet. And metric SA on this side, well, if you can see under them. And again, I use a lot of pliers, a lot of different kind of pliers, pullers. And this magnet has been, actually should go somewhere else. Next one. These are my tall socket sets. So you have the 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. Same over here. And actually, I don't think these will ever see much use. I'm certainly not going around and using this. We'll never see any use. Again, they look nice. They are perfectly slotted. So if you take any unit, you know exactly what's missing. You can find it, put them back, because you don't want to lose tools. Tools are very expensive. Next one, same. You have the Torx, these are all the weird pieces that not necessarily you're going to use them much, the Allen keys and everything. But when they do come handy, they do come handy. I barely think I would ever use them, but a couple of days ago I used the 45 to take an airbag out. There. Next one, exactly what I was talking about. I'm missing a 21. I actually know exactly where it is. It's attached with my hammer drill, so I need to get that back. Half inches. No. 3/4, quarter, half, and half. And yes, they are very handy when they are laid up nicely like this. You know exactly what's missing, which one is what. You put it back after you use them. Next one, this is my favorite set because these are impact. Not only that, they also have these teeth. So, you know, not only that, they also have these teeth. They can catch on a heavily corroded or rounded nut and somehow work their magic and get it out. Again, all of them very nice, very quality product compared to the price you pay. From there, things kind of go haywire because I just put stuff, extra sockets. Trust me, there's no 10 mil here because I looked. This is very handy. This, oh, lifesaver. Because sometimes you're in a situation that the oil filter is not coming off with your hand. You use this and it comes off every time. Voltmeter, very handy. And these are woodworking stuff, old saw. That is an AC switch for my 300ZX. Next. This drawer needs organization. I had these to put those sockets in, but I just like those sockets just the way they are, so never used it. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Next is my power tools. So unfortunately just the only one here, but the other tools are around. I know where they are. And this is another very, very important tool. Torque wrench. Every home mechanic should have a torque wrench because you should always torque your wheels after you change it. That's that. It's just a very comprehensive review of my toolbox. I actually have another set of tools, but not as elaborate in my shed. And I am missing a couple of pieces from there. So stay tuned, hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell. There's a lot more product review videos coming in.